G'day guys, and welcome to our April newsletter where we take a look back at March. This newsletter aims to provide you with an update as to what we're doing as a company, perhaps provide some inspiration for your next video project, and if you're a business owner who's looking to create and use media, provide you with tips, tricks and strategies to do so. G'day guys, my name is GINGERBEARD and I'm the owner of GINGERBEARD Media. March has been a busy month for us, but I wanted to highlight three particular projects that have kind of caught my eye and talk about those. So our first is with Bailey's Fitness, where we delivered 70 short testimonial videos that really capture the customer's experience and journey and help market their business on social media. We've also worked with Danielle, a real estate agent in Port Hedland. And for Danielle, we provided a bunch of around 30 scripted videos and also some short interview questions that again really help build her brand. Our final client, West Coast Motorcycle Hire, I delivered one promotional video for them and also 7 specific bike videos. So that allows them to upload that video to their website and market their business, but they've also got those 7 individual bike videos that really help market their product to their target market. So all of this client video work that we're doing is really about bulk content. It allows our clients to get out there on a regular basis and really try and build a relationship with their viewers. Outside of this client work, we also talked about the new viewer metrics that are coming from YouTube. And if you're interested about that sort of stuff, read further down in the newsletter or come and join our Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business, where we talk about exactly that, how to shoot video for your business, how to put it to use. The final piece of tasty information for this video newsletter is that we have now launched our business introduction video package. This package is a scalable package and is really designed to market your business on both website and social media. As ever, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in talking further about how video could help your business, I'd love to have a chat. GINGERBEARD Media, get on beard.